Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know me, Jaden. So today we're going to be doing some cat fails. I know I'm doing a weird tour of my house, but today we're going to be doing cat fails, and this is going to be hilarious. So my cat's on my treadmill right now, so I'll go show you. See, he's on my treadmill. So we're just going to start running it. Okay. Hey, Bootsy. Hey. Yeah? You have funny touch. No, dang it! We need to get a cat out there, guys. Bootsy, come here. It's okay. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Here. Yeah, it's okay. Stay right here. Stay right here. It's okay. Stay. You there, guys? Just gonna. That was hilarious. I might as well stop by going on it. So, well, shout out Emily. Hello, family. So, yeah. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. And like and subscribe if you're not for more content. Bye.